Okay, today I've got an update for you on the brand new construction home right on the Gulf, 7 bedrooms, 8.5 baths, almost 4,700 square feet at 8711 Surf Drive. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, we are still very much a construction site, but we're almost finished, so I wanted to give you a sneak peek of how things are coming together. Starting on the ground level, you've got this awesome outdoor space, very easy to take a boardwalk down to the beach, awesome pool with a hot tub connected, and plenty of deck area. Inside on the ground level is a nice bonus room and some storage. Going up to the second floor, kitchen, some additional bedrooms. Let's take a look around. All right, here we are in one of the dens on the 3rd floor, adjacent to a waterfront bedroom, some other bedrooms. Up on the 4th floor is an impressive primary suite and an extra bonus room. You can sleep loads of people up there. There you go, quick look around 8711 Surf Drive in Panama City Beach, Florida. Now, a few things about the construction that you couldn't see just walking around the house. First of all, it's built with concrete pilings, just like you would build a Gulfront condominium, which gives you a lot of security, but also a lot more space on the inside. It also has a commercial-grade fire suppression system, and it's even built with marine-grade stainless steel carriage bolts. Now let's talk about the location for a minute. It's really impressive. Not only is it Gulfront, very close to the new Tootsie's that's under construction, right behind Newbies, very close to Neon's Beach Shack. So anyone wanting to do anything with vacation rentals, this will be very desirable. And of course, I'm right here on the boardwalk, straight down to the beach. If you have any questions about this or want more information, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417. Again, I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Thanks for watching.